What is a green building? A green building focuses on increasing the efficiency of resources used, such as energy, water, and materials, while reducing building impact on human health and the environment during the building's life cycle through better seating, design, constructions, operations, maintenance, and removal. Let's check whether the hydrocarbon R290 contains green building index point or not. As we can see, the hydrocarbon R290 contains 2 points because of the gas itself. 1 point for non-ozone depleting, and then the other point is for non-synthetic refrigerants, which is natural refrigerant. So hydrocarbon, you can earn 2 green building index points. Let us switch to greens using Ener-Save R290 Natural Refrigerant Air Conditioner.
Number 1, let's go.